In this video, I'm going to show you how to add bullet points in Scribus. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, is add a text frame and add some lines to which you would like to add bullet points. So I'm just going to type in line 1, press enter, line 2, press enter, line 3, and then line 4 as well. Oopsie, there we go. So whenever you do this, you want to highlight over this text, so select it using your mouse like this, and then you want to right click and then click on content properties. You could also press F3 on your keyboard, it's going to work as well. Now over here it's going to open these text properties over here, and you want to go down to where it says paragraph effects. You want to click on this to extend it, and here there's only one option or button which says no paragraph effects. That's the default, but you can just click on this and you can switch over to bulleted list, and whenever you do this, as you can see, there we go. If I exit this, I've successfully added bullet points in Scribus. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.